Meteorologist Nathan Kitchens here, your weather update. The beautiful stretch of weather is going to continue the next several days. Looking at Thursday, we'll have plenty of sunshine. Temperatures will be in the upper 50s. Start our day here, we'll be in the 60s by 8 a.m. Temperatures will be close to 80 by noon, and we'll see temperatures in the lower 80s throughout the afternoon tomorrow for our Thursday. Very little wind expected tomorrow, so kind of a calm day. Less of a breeze on our Thursday compared to the past couple of days. When we look at the extended forecast here, temperatures will slowly warm as we go into the weekend, but we don't have rain returning here until we get to late Monday. So a long dry stretch is continuing here as we go through the weekend. Temperatures get back close to 90. We'll see our next rain chance late Monday and a Tuesday of next week with more humidity in place. We'll see temperatures going from near 90 on Sunday back to the mid 80s by the middle of next week. Be sure to enjoy the great weather out there as we go throughout the next several days.